In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for an agency rebrand by harnessing its collaborative features to conduct a comprehensive brand sprint. We'll guide you through the entire process, from defining your brand goals to finalizing your new visual identity. Let's dive right in and explore how to facilitate each step, ensuring your rebranding project is both efficient and effective. To kick off, begin by defining your strategy and goals for the rebrand. Miro's sticky notes are a perfect tool for this brainstorming phase. Use them to map out the core goals of your rebrand. Think about who your target audience is and what your brand's unique positioning will be. It's also crucial to identify the key messages and values that your new brand should convey. This foundational work sets the stage for a cohesive and meaningful brand identity. Next, we transition into visual research and mood boarding. Create a dedicated section on your Miro board to gather visual inspiration. This could include images, logos, or even whole websites that capture the essence of the aesthetic you're aiming for. Represent brand attributes visually, and engage in discussions around parameters like simple versus complex, or vivid versus neutral. This process will help you and your team align on the visual direction for the new brand. With a clear visual direction in mind, it's time for creative development and ideation. Miro's drawing and shape tools become invaluable here, allowing you to sketch out initial logo concepts and website layouts. Another key aspect is mapping the customer journey, identifying crucial touchpoints and the experiences you want to craft around them. As you work, consider developing various aesthetic directions, perhaps 3 distinct mood boards, to give your team options to explore and evaluate. Now, let's move on to decision-making and refinement. Miro offers easy-to-use voting tools that empower your team to vote on different design elements, be it logo silhouettes, potential names, or overall brand aesthetics. Gather everyone's feedback and refine the chosen elements accordingly. This collaborative approach ensures that the final decisions reflect the collective insights and preferences of your team. Finally, consolidate all these insights into a cohesive brand guideline. Miro serves as an excellent platform for documenting your decisions. Here you can record your new logo, color palette, typography, and any other critical visual elements that complete your brand's identity. Consider creating custom templates in Miro to reflect these new guidelines, ensuring consistency as your brand evolves with future projects. By utilizing Miro in this way, you can seamlessly bring your team together in a shared visual workspace, fostering creative synergy and producing a well-rounded rebrand. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to rebranding with Miro's powerful tools. Happy branding!